Hello students, today we will solve the next exercise 16b. Okay, so in first exercise we will find the area of trapezium, and in next exercise we will find the area of any polygon. Okay, so area of a polygon, and exercise 16b. Okay, first I discuss about the concept of polygon and which kind of polygon is there, and how to find the area of that kind of polygons. Okay, so everyone know the definition of polygon, because in previous this video 2 or 3 times I already given the definition of polygon. So polygon is a simple closed curve made up only of line segment. Okay, now the thing is, what is regular polygon? Regular polygon. Regular polygon, that means regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides are equal and all angles also equal. So sides and angles are equal. So all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Sides equal, angles also equals. Okay. For example, equilateral triangle is a regular polygon, because equilateral triangle, that means all sides equal. Square is a regular polygon. Okay. Now the thing is how to find the area of a polygon. For example, if I take any hexagon, it is a hexagon, it is not regular. Okay, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6. Okay, so all sides not equal. So it is not regular polygon. If the question is find the area of this polygon, so how to find the area? So if we divide the total height also given, height 11 centimeter. Okay, so total height 11, that means this height 5.5. Okay, if we divide the hexagon into 2 parts, so first part and second part become trapezium. So we already know how to find the area of a trapezium. So easily we can find the area of this trapezium and area of this trapezium. Okay, then area of the figure, that means area of first trapezium plus area of second trapezium. In this way we can find the area of a polygon. Now regular polygon, that means all sides equal. So every regular polygon, any regular polygon can be divided. We can divide any regular polygon of n sides into n equal triangles. Okay. For example, this square is a regular polygon. So number of sides is n. So we can divide this square into four equal triangle. That means if we draw the diagonals, then we get 4 triangles, and all triangles are equal, are of equal measure. That means area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle, area of this triangle is equal. Okay. In case of regular hexagon, regular, that means all sides 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. That means all sides are equal. So if all sides are equal, then it is called regular hexagon. So regular hexagon, number of sides, how many sides are there? 6 sides. So the note is n-sided polygon can be divided into n equal triangles. Okay. So square, 4 side square is a regular polygon, so we can divide in four equal triangles. In case of hexagon, number of sides, that means n equal to 6. So we can divide the hexagon into 6 equal triangles. So how to divide? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all triangles are equal. And in case of hexagon, the triangles are equilateral. Okay. In case of hexagon, it is not for every polygon. In case of hexagon, the triangles are equilateral triangle. So what is the area of hexagon? So equilateral triangle, what is the formula of area? In previous video I already given the area of a triangle, equilateral triangle. It is root 3 by 4, not given maybe. Area of any triangle, half into base into height maybe. So the area of a equilateral triangle is, so you can write the notes, area of a equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. So if area of one triangle is root 3 by 4 side square and all triangles are equal measure, so here 6 triangle is there. So area of this hexagon is, or area of a hexagon is, area of a regular hexagon, not only hexagon, area of a regular hexagon is 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square, because this is the area of one triangle, and in a regular hexagon there are 6 triangles of equal measure. So 6 triangle, that means 6 into 3 by 4, so it becomes 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2 into side square. It is the formula to find the area of a regular hexagon. Okay. If the hexagon is pentagon, okay, if the hexagon is pentagon, then how to find the area? So it is not regular, so we divide into 3, 1, 2, 3 triangles. If we find area of these 3 triangles, then area of this pentagon is area of this one plus area of this one plus area of this one. Very easy. So now, without any delay, we enter into the topic. So exercise is very easy, and no need to solve. I think no need to solve each and every math. And I think if I solve each and every math, then video is very lengthy, and I don't know why you are not seeing the full video. Okay, this is not big issue. So what is the question number 1? Find the areas of the following polygons. So first polygon is like that. A, B, C, D, E. This one 6 centimeter. This one 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Height of this is 8 centimeter, and height of total is 13 centimeter. Okay. So now the question is find the area of this polygon A, B, C, B, E. This polygon. So there is no formula to find this kind of polygon directly. So first we find the area of upper part and lower part. Then if we add these two areas, then we get the area of the figure. So upper part is a triangle and lower part is a trapezium. So what is the formula of area of triangle? Half into base into height. Here height given, base also given. So there is no problem to find the area of this triangle. So area of the triangle ABE equal to half into base, that means 6, height, that means 8 centimeter square. So it becomes 24 centimeter square. And area of the polygon trapezium, area of the trapezium CDEB equal to half into sum of parallel side. So these two sides are parallel. So 6 centimeter plus 12 into height. Height, that means here. Okay, right in the side in the corner. Height, that means total value is 13 centimeter and this value is 8 centimeter. If we subtract 8 centimeter from 13 centimeter, then we get the height of the trapezium. So height of the trapezium equal to height equal to 13 minus 8 centimeter. 5 centimeter is the height of the trapezium. I think it is clear, because total length is 13 and upper portion 8. So from 13 centimeter, if we subtract this 8 centimeter, then this length is left. So length of this height is 5 centimeter. So 5 and unit centimeter square. So what is the value? Half into 18 into 5 centimeter square. So it becomes 49 or 45 centimeter square. Therefore area of the figure or area of the polygon, that means area of the total, area of this one plus area of this one. Okay. So therefore area of the polygon ABCDE, okay, no need to write. 24 plus 45 centimeter square, it becomes 69 centimeter square. Very easy. Okay. And question number second, regular polygon. Question number second and question number 6 similar, but I think question number 6 is more important than question number 2, because here only rectangle is there and here the figure is, second figure is not rectangle. So I will solve 6 number. Now 3 number. 3 number similar, find the area of the polygon. So which kind of polygon given? Centimeter, 11 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay. So length of this one is 19.5 meter, 10 meter, 5.5 meter, 5.5 meter. This one 6 meter. 11 meter, not 6 meter. 11 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, and total 25 meter. 25 meter. Okay. So we cannot find the area of this polygon directly. So we divide the figure first in this way, such that each and every part we can find the area by using formula. Okay. So if we divide in this way, then first figure become rectangle, then second figure become trapezium, third figure rectangle. Okay. So it gives the name here, not given the name A, B, C, D in this way. So first part, second part, third part, or part A, part B, part C. Okay. So length of part A is 25, breadth also given. So there is no problem to find the area of this rectangle. Okay. For second case, value of this one 10 centimeter. This two equal. So this one also become 10 meter. Okay. 10 meter. 10 meter. So it is a trapezium, and these two sides are parallel, and height this one because it is perpendicular. So height this one. So we need the value of these sides and this height. What is the value of total length? Total length is 25 centimeter, and value of this one is 11 centimeter. If we subtract 11 centimeter from the total length, then this length is left. If we subtract from the total, subtract this value from the total, then this length left. And what is the total value? 25 centimeter. So value of this one is 25 minus 11 equal to 14 centimeter. And what is the height? This value and this value equal, so it becomes 5.5 meter, not centimeter. Unit given in meter. So 5.5 meter, and value of this one is 6 meter. So if we subtract this value and this value from the total value, then we get the value of height. So what is the total value? 19.5. We subtract 6 meter and 5.5 meter, minus 6 minus 5.5. Then we get the height of this one. So what is the result? 9.5 minus 11.5. So it becomes 8. Okay. So value of the length of total is 19. 5.5, 5, 6, 11. 19 minus 11.5 equal to 8. Okay. So 8 meter. The value of this one is 8 meter. Okay. So 3 number. So area of from the figure. Because part A, part B, part C not given in the book, so you must draw the figure and give the name part A, part B, part C. So area of part A. Part A, it is a rectangle, so length into breadth. What is the length? 25 into 6, breadth 6 meter square. So it becomes 150 meter square. Okay. Area of part B. equal to half into sum of parallel side. So one side is 14 and another 10 centimeter. 14 plus 10 and height 8 meter square. It becomes 4. So 24 into 4 meter square, 96 meter square. Okay. And area of part C equal to part C length into breadth. It is a rectangle, length into breadth. So length 10, breadth 5.5 meter square. That means 55 meter square. Okay. 550, and before one digit decimal, after decimal there is no problem. It's 1 or 2 zero is there, so no need to write the zero. So if we add the area of part A, part B and part C, then we get the area of required area of the given figure. Okay. So after this one, right? After this one, therefore area of the given polygon, equal to, oh, I forgot the value. So first one 150, second one 96, third one 55. So what is the value? 11, 9, 6, 14, 11, 10, 15, 20. Let's see. Okay. Check the answer. Exercise 16. 16B31301. Yes, answer is correct. Okay, next 6 number. Today I will try to finish the video in less than half hour. Okay, 6 number, area of the polygon, area of the figure given below is. So what is the figure? One regular hexagon is given. So hexagon. Value of this one is 3 centimeter. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So value of 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, I am not written here centimeter. You must write the centimeter. You write the unit. Okay. So find the area of this figure. So it is regular hexagon. So very easy to find the area of regular hexagon. Okay. And we cannot find the area of this figure directly, so we divide this figure. So value of this one 10, and value of total value of AE is 8. Regular polygon one side equal, so this one also 8. And value of BC 3 centimeter. BC, that means value of this one also 3 centimeter. So total is 8 and value of this one 3. So value of this one 5, because if we add 5 and 3, then then only total length become 8, and it is 90 degree. So it is the height of the trapezium, first one trapezium and this one rectangle. So very easy. So here we give one name, M. Okay. Since it is a short question, so I can. Okay, no need. So area of, then no need to give the part A, part B, part C, because already name given. Otherwise we give the name part A, part B, part C. Okay. Area of the hexagon A. Okay, only one hexagon is there, so no need to write the name, or you can write A, E, F, G, H, I equal to. So what is the area of hexagon? In the starting of the video I already discussed about it. 6 into area of one triangle, root 3 by 4 into side square. Side, that means 8 square. 8 into 8 meter or centimeter. Centimeter square. Okay. So what is the value? Choose the 8. Okay. So the value is 6 into root 3 into 16 meter is centimeter square. Okay. So value of root 3 is 6 into 1.732 into 16 centimeter square. Okay. In your book, value of root 3 given or not? Value of root 3. Yes, correct. So what is the value? The value is what is the value? 6 into 1.732 into 16. 166.272 centimeter square. Okay. Then area of the rectangle ABCN. So length into breadth, length is 10 and breadth is 3 centimeter square, that means 30 centimeter square. Okay. And area of the trapezium CDEM equal to half into sum of parallel sides, that means 14 and 10. 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 10 into height, that means 5. So it becomes centimeter square. It becomes 1 by 2 into 24 into 5 centimeter square. So 24, 12 ja 5, 12 ja 60 centimeter square. Okay. So what is the required area of the figure? Therefore the area of the figure is, therefore the area of the given figure, area of the given figure equal to 166.272 plus 30 plus 60 centimeter square. So what is the result? So 6, 9, 6, 15, 12.272 centimeter square. Okay. since we round up to 2 digit, okay, we taken the value taken in the book up to 2 digit. So if we round up to 2 decimal place, so it is 2 less than 5. If the value is less than 5, then no need to change the digit. If the value greater than or equal to 5, then we add 1 with the previous digit. So here the value is 256.27 centimeter square. And one most important thing is the value of root 3 not equal to 1.732 centimeter, 1.732. For just in calculation purpose, we taken here approx value of root 3, okay, but not given here approx sign, because the value is very small, the value, if 2, 3, 2, 5, 9 dot up to infinite. So if we taken up to 3 digits, then no more value is changed in the multiplication. That's why in purpose of calculation or in advantage of calculation, we taken the value up to 3 digits, okay. But you can write equal to, but keep in your mind the value of root 3 is not equal to this one, because in the chapter square root, we already find the value of root 2 up to 2 dp or up to 3 dp, okay. Now that means decimal place. That means these are the irrational number. In class 11 you read about. Class 10 in class 10 also that's irrational number is there maybe. So root 3 and root 2 are irrational number. So it is not the actual value, okay. So answer, which number answer? 256. When B number 72 or 27. Oh, not D number. Then answer B number. Okay. Next, last question. 7 number. 7 numbers. I not write anything here. I only solve the problem. You can write in your way. If the question is MCQ, then no problem, no need to solve. But if the question is of 2 marks or 3 marks, then you can show the process. Okay. In case of MCQ, no need to show the process, only show the calculation, or no need to write more. But if the question is 5 marks or 3 marks, then you must write stepwise. Okay. So given 10 centimeter, value of this one 10 centimeter, and value of this one 2.5 centimeter. Okay, value of this one 2.5 centimeter or 2 centimeter. So the question is find the area of the shaded part. Okay, find the area of the shaded part. So if we subtract, one thing, this one is a trapezium, this one also trapezium, and all trapeziums are same. So if we subtract the area of this 4th trapezium from the bigger square, then we get the result, or we get the area of shaded region. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So area of the shaded part, area of the shaded, double D or single D, I don't know, shaded part, forward shaded part equal to area of ABCD minus area of this four trapezium. Okay, so all trapezium are equivalent or concurrent. So if we find the area of one trapezium, then area of four trapezium equal to 4 into area of any one trapezium, BCFG, BCGF. Okay, area of 4 into area of BCGF. So area of ABCD is square. So area of the square, that means side into side, 10 into 10 centimeter square, minus area of the trapezium ABCD. This one is the height of the trapezium, and what is the value of FG? What is the value of FG? So total length is 10 meter. Here we subtract 2 meter. So minus 2. Here also we subtract 2 meter. So minus 2. It is the length of FG centimeter. That means 6 centimeter. So value of this one 6. Value of this one 10. So minus 4 into area of the trapezium. Here write trapezium. Area of the trapezium BCGF. So area of trapezium, that means half into sum of parallel side. So value of this side is 6, value of another side is 10, and the value of the height is 2 centimeter square. So it becomes 100 minus 2 will cut, then 4 into 16, 96. 4 into 16, 96. No, not 96. 32, 74. 74 centimeter square. So 6 to 26. If answer is correct, it's also correct. Fresh. 36. Oh, 36 or 26. Value of 10 is 100. 4 into trapezium half into sum of parallel side 6 into 2. So 16 4. 16 4 0. 6 4 0 24. 6. Oh, sorry. 64 32. 64. So it is 36. Day by day I also become that. Okay. So tata for today.